Picture this: waking up in the morning feeling calm, focused, and ready to take on the day. Sounds amazing, right? But too often, we start off rushed, overwhelmed, or already glued to our phones. What if I told you that just a few small changes could transform your mornings and your mindset? Hi there. Today, I'm sharing 10 easy ways to start your day with mindfulness. No expensive retreats or hour-long meditations required. These tips are simple, practical, and perfect for any schedule. Let's dive in. 1. Wake up. 1. Wake up. We've all been there grabbing our phone before we even sit up. Instead, try leaving it on airplane mode overnight or placing it in another room. Use those first precious moments to check in with yourself. Sit up, take a deep breath, and set your intention for the day. Trust me, your notifications will wait. 2. Practice gratitude. Before your feet even hit the floor, think of 3 things you're grateful for. Maybe it's the cozy warmth of your bed or the sound of birds outside your window. Writing them down amplifies their impact and starts your day on a positive note. 3. Stretch or do gentle movement. Even just 5 minutes of simple stretching can help you feel more connected to your body. Try movements like child's pose or cat-cow. This isn't about perfection, it's about feeling your body wake up and thanking it for carrying you through the day. 4. Breathe with intention. Here's an easy one. Take a moment to focus on your breath. Try the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, and it's calming, grounding, and a perfect way to reduce any morning anxiety. 5. Eat breakfast mindfully. When was the last time you really tasted your coffee or felt the texture of your breakfast? Instead of rushing, slow down. Savor each bite or sip, and notice how much more satisfying your breakfast becomes. 6. Tune into nature. Step outside or simply open a window. Listen to the birds, feel the breeze, or soak up a little sunlight. Even a few minutes with nature can help you feel grounded and connected to something bigger than yourself. 7. Use affirmations. Affirmations might feel a little silly at first, but they work. Look into a mirror and say something positive to yourself. Maybe, I am strong and capable, or I can handle any challenge that comes my way. Over time, affirmations can rewire your mindset. 8. Meditate for just 3 minutes. Meditation doesn't have to take all morning. Apps like Calm or Insight Timer offer 3-minute guided meditations. Take this time to clear your mind and set yourself up for a focused, stress-free day. 9. Write down your goals. Grab a notebook and jot down your top 3 priorities for the day. This isn't about overwhelming yourself with a to-do list. It's about focusing on what truly matters and starting the day with clarity. 10. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Okay, I know this sounds a little strange, but studies show that smiling even when it's forced can boost your mood. Look in the mirror, give yourself a genuine or goofy grin, and set the tone for a day filled with self-compassion. The ripple effect of mindfulness. The way you start your day has a ripple effect on everything that follows. Adding just 1 or 2 of these mindfulness practices to your morning routine can reduce stress, increase focus, and even improve productivity. If you're wondering, do I really have time for this? The answer is yes. Mindfulness isn't about perfection or hours of practice. It's about small, intentional moments that help you live in the present. Try just one of these tips tomorrow morning. Whether it's savoring your coffee or writing down your goals, you might find that it leads to a more peaceful, productive day. And if you want more ideas, leave a comment or reach out. I'd love to hear how mindfulness is transforming your mornings. The secret to a mindful life starts with a mindful morning. Give it a try, you deserve it.